Excel AMORLINC function. This function returns the depreciation for each accounting period using straight-line depreciation in the French accounting system. The name stands for Amortissements linéaires comptables. The syntax is AMORLINC with parameters cost, date purchased, first period, salvage period, rate, and an optional basis. Unlike AMORLINC, this function uses straight-line depreciation without any coefficient adjustment. There are 7 arguments: cost, the cost of the asset; date purchased, the date the asset was purchased; first period, the end date of the first period; salvage, the salvage value at end of life; period, which period to calculate depreciation for; rate, the rate of depreciation; and basis, an optional day count basis accepting 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Here's an example. We have an asset costing $2,400 purchased on June 28, 2016, with a first period ending December 31, 2016. The salvage value is $300. We want period 1, the rate is 15%, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The AMORLINC function returns $360. This is the straight-line depreciation for period 1. Notice this is lower than AMORLINC's result of $729 because no declining coefficient is applied. Watch out for common errors. A num error occurs when cost, salvage, period, or rate is invalid or out of range, or when the basis is not 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. A value error occurs when non-numeric values are supplied. Key points to remember. AMORLINC is the straight-line version of AMORLINC. It does not apply a declining coefficient. It is designed for the French accounting system and supports all 5 basis types, including actual over 360. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.